What's going on, y'all? My name is Charlie, and welcome to Go Fast Nation. Today, I need to clean the car off because we're fixing to go shoot a couple more videos, and I just figured I'd take you guys along for the ride. Show you guys what I use, how I do it. Probably not the right way, but it's the way I do it. So, anyway, let's check it out. All right, this is the pressure washer that I use. It's not exactly expensive. It was like $2.50 or something like that, but it comes with multiple tips and whatnot. I always use the car one, the 40-degree angle. It's 2300 psi, brushless. That's 2300 max. So before everybody blows me up in the comments, it runs at a constant roughly 12 to 1300 and has 1.7 gallons per hour, I think. And yeah, you can see just how filthy this thing is right now. Golly. It's what my car looks like every time I get home from over the road. But this is what I use. Patterson Car Care Auto Foam, or the Fat Foamer as he used to call it. But that stuff is awesome. You'll see here in a minute. The also got this really soft microfiber wash mitt. Got Patterson's foam cannon, and then for quick, just a quick little shine up after the wash, Patterson's quick clean, quick detailer. Stuff works awesome, and it's always satisfying seeing the dirt just blow off this thing. That's one thing that I don't like about that pressure washer. Notice how when you first hit the nozzle, it has to power up like this. Watch. It always takes forever. It's annoying as hell. That's the one thing I wish was better about that. Otherwise, I'm happy with it. Anyway, I'll set you up on a time lapse here so you don't have to sit here and watch the entire process. Alright, here comes everybody's favorite part, the foam. I love this stuff. Look how thick that is. Oh yeah.
Come some of the work gets kinda hard, and this ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool, and the boss don't mind sometimes if you act the fool at the car wash. Whoa, 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 talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it for me. Car wash. Woo.
In case you're wondering, I didn't get a tripod for my phone. This is a stand, tripod mount for shop lights. And this is the belt clip that came with my phone case. I just clipped it to the little dealio right there. Oh crap, I don't think you can see that. Let me see. There we go. Yep, I just clipped it to the little lock, like right there. Just clipped it to that and clicked my phone into it just like normal. See, that's where the shop lights mount. Anyway, hey, maybe ghetto, but it works. But yeah, there you go. That's Patterson Car Care Fat Foamer and a microfiber wash mitt. You can really see the clouds reflected in there. Of course, I waxed it last week, but you can really see how much cleaner the car is and how thick that foam is, man. I love that stuff. But now we're going to hit it up with the quick detailer and see how that works. Oh, I also got this stuff called, hang on. Here it is. I got a sample of Patterson Car Care's special sauce. It's made for like rubber and vinyl and whatnot. It's supposed to rejuvenate it. So I'm going to try it on the windshield gasket here. And hopefully it'll get rid of that white, old crustiness that's on here. It might just need to be replaced, of course, because it's, 22 years old now. But yeah, there you go. So let's try out this stuff here. All right, it says to apply with a microfiber, so I'm gonna give it a couple squirts here. Get it soaked a little bit. And we will see how it works. I don't know if you can really see how white that is, but let's see. Sorry about that. Watching what I'm doing instead of the camera. Okay. Get it in there really good. I'm gonna wipe it off the window glass here. Okay. Okay, I see you, Patterson. I don't know if you can see that spot where it distinctly changes. But that's untreated, that's treated, and though it still looks old and crusty, because it is, the color definitely came back. I'm going to have to hit it up on a little bit, more thorough. But I'm pleased with it. Let's see what it does on this spot right here. Let me see, where's the spot that I was just using? There we go. Keep in mind, y'all, this is 22-year-old plastic, 1998. I didn't add any more product. I just used the wet spot that I had already sprayed. I know, I'm a child. Let it finish drying a little bit. Okay, well, that white spot is still there, but like I said, it's 22-year-old plastic. So I get that antenna out of the way. It's not bad. I mean, I'll drop the lid. There it goes. You'll never see that thing again. Yeah, didn't really do too much difference on here, but it did help it look a little bit better. I'll admit that. I mean, it's not like making it brand new, but then again, I didn't expect it to because it's 22 years old. But not bad, Patterson. Not bad. In case you don't know, Patterson Car Care is actually owned by that dude in blue, David Patterson. So you should definitely go check out his channel. I'm sure most of you already are. And you should definitely go to pattersoncarcare.com. This is not sponsored. I bought all this stuff out of my own pocket, but if I back something, I'll let you know. I'll tell you. If I don't like it, I'm going to tell you I don't like it. But the fat foamer, yeah, I'm a fan. I am a fan. Well, let's get to trying out the quick detailer, see how that does. Alright, y'all. Once again, this is Patterson Car Care's quick detailer. Sorry, my nose is a little runny. I think I might actually have the corona. Sorry. Old joke. Alright, it says to spray directly onto the surface. Well, I bet you it helps if I open up the nozzle, huh? Spray directly on surface, and it says you can use it on a wet or dry surface. Spray on and wipe right off. This towel I'm using, I actually got from Harbor Freight, and it is so soft. I love it. Flip it over. I think I may have sprayed a little too much on there. But it's always good to use a decent amount of product. It lubricates so you don't get scratches. At least that's what all the YouTube videos that I've seen about detailing say. Okay, so I'm noticing that it's leaving some streaks that are kind of hard to get off. I don't know if that's user error or if it's just the product. Okay, here it comes. This is my first time using this stuff, so a lot of effort into this. Keep in mind the paint on this car is far from perfect, so. And I did wax this, so maybe it's not reacting very well with the wax, I don't know. But once I got it all off, definitely can't complain. I mean, look at that reflection. You can get a weather report just by looking at my hood. And this is a 22-year-old hood, 22-year-old black paint. Okay. Definitely can't complain. Yeah, I like it. I mean, it's a little hard to get off, but that one spot does look a little bit better than the rest of it, I should say. Missed a spot. All right, so would I recommend it? Absolutely. PattersonCarCare.com, y'all. Okay, guys, quick update. I changed towels. This is a regular microfiber that's a little bit more coarse than the white one I was using a minute ago. Check this out. I just want to be fair. Also, I use a little bit less product. And look at this. Wipes right off. No streaks, no unnecessary effort. So, the problems I was having earlier, completely my fault. You got to use a more coarse microfiber and not as much product. So, there you go, guys. 100% recommend it. Since you made it this far in the video, I figured I'd treat you guys to a nice cold start. Alright, y'all, so there you have it. Started off with a dirty 98 Cobra. And thanks to Patterson Car Care, fat foamer and quick detailer, I gotta say I like it. It's clean. But I have to hurry up and get the other car washed because we gotta take off and start getting set up for the next video. So if you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, comment below, let me know what you think. Maybe some tips if I'm doing something wrong. Anyway, we'll catch you next time.